Wealth is not merely the accumulation of material possessions or financial resources. It is a constant flow of energy that permeates every aspect of our existence. The universe operates on the principles of energy exchange, and wealth is a manifestation of this dynamic interplay. To truly understand and attract wealth into our lives, we must first comprehend the nature of energy and its intricate relationship with our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Imagine the universe as a vast ocean of energy, constantly ebbing and flowing, shaping and reshaping reality itself. We, as conscious beings, are immersed in this ocean, and our thoughts and emotions act as conduits for this energy. Every thought we entertain, every emotion we experience, generates a unique vibrational frequency that interacts with the universal energy field. When our thoughts and emotions are aligned with positivity, abundance, and gratitude, we resonate at a higher frequency, attracting more of that same energy into our lives. Conversely, when we harbor thoughts of scarcity, fear, or negativity, we vibrate at a lower frequency, inadvertently blocking the flow of wealth and prosperity. The key to cultivating wealth lies in understanding that it is not a static entity, but a dynamic force that requires continuous engagement and alignment. Just as a river's flow is sustained by the movement of water, wealth is sustained by the consistent flow of positive energy. One of the fundamental principles in attracting wealth is the art of selective engagement. Our attention is a powerful tool that shapes our reality. By consciously directing our attention towards thoughts and emotions that resonate with abundance, we amplify their influence in our lives. Conversely, when we ignore or dismiss thoughts and emotions that emanate scarcity or negativity, we effectively diminish their impact. Imagine your mind as a vibrant garden, and your thoughts are the seeds you plant. The thoughts you nurture with your attention will blossom into your reality, while the ones you neglect will wither away. It is essential to cultivate a mindset of abundance, constantly planting seeds of positivity, gratitude, and abundance in the fertile soil of your consciousness. Another crucial aspect of attracting wealth is the power of present moment awareness. The universe operates in the eternal now, and it is in this present moment that we can truly harness its creative potential. When we dwell on past failures or future anxieties, we disconnect ourselves from the flow of energy that exists in the here and now. To fully embrace the present moment, cultivate a practice of mindfulness and presence. Be attentive to the beauty and abundance that surrounds you in the present moment, and allow yourself to feel grateful for what you already have. This simple act of appreciation will elevate your vibrational frequency, aligning you with the universal flow of wealth and prosperity. As you deepen your connection with the present moment, you will begin to recognize the subtle signs and synchronicities that the universe offers as guidance. These signs may come in the form of repeated numbers, meaningful coincidences, or intuitive hunches. By learning to trust and follow these signs, you open yourself to new opportunities and pathways that can lead you towards greater wealth and abundance. Furthermore, it is essential to expand your consciousness and broaden your awareness of the intricate web of energy that connects all aspects of existence. Just as a skilled poker player must understand the nuances of the game and the strategies of their opponents, we must cultivate an expansive awareness of the dynamics that govern the flow of energy in the universe. By embracing this expanded awareness, you will gain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all things, and you will be better equipped to navigate the complexities of life with grace and wisdom. This awareness will enable you to make informed choices that align with your desired reality, attracting wealth and prosperity with greater ease and efficiency. Another powerful tool in attracting wealth is the practice of repetition and affirmation. Our subconscious mind is a vast reservoir of beliefs, patterns, and programming that shapes our reality. By consistently affirming positive statements about wealth and abundance, we can gradually reprogram our subconscious mind to align with these new beliefs. Imagine yourself repeating affirmations such as, "I am a magnet for wealth and abundance," or "Money flows to me effortlessly and continuously." As you repeat these affirmations with conviction and feeling, your subconscious mind begins to accept them as truth, and your reality starts to shift accordingly. It is important to remember that the process of attracting wealth is not instantaneous. It requires patience, consistency, and unwavering belief. Just as a gardener must tend to their plants with care and dedication, we must nurture our thoughts and emotions, consistently aligning them with the universal flow of energy. Throughout this journey, it is crucial to trust in the process and in the inherent abundance of the universe. The universe is an infinitely generous and supportive force, always seeking to provide for our highest good. By releasing any resistance or doubts and embracing a mindset of trust and faith, we open ourselves to receive the wealth and abundance that is our birthright. Ultimately, wealth is not merely a matter of accumulating material possessions or financial resources. It is a state of being, a vibration, and a flow of energy that permeates every aspect of our lives. By aligning our thoughts, emotions, and actions with this universal flow, we become conduits for wealth and prosperity, attracting abundance into our lives with grace and ease. Developing an abundance mindset is pivotal on this journey. An abundance mindset means operating from the belief that there is more than enough for everyone. Wealth, opportunities, love, and resources are infinite and available in abundance. This contrasts with the scarcity mindset that views wealth as limited, leading to fear, greed, and competition. Embody an abundance mentality by celebrating others' successes, practicing generosity, and eliminating thoughts of lack or scarcity. Furthermore, aligning your values and life purpose with attracting wealth is transformative. When you are pursuing wealth solely from a place of personal values and making a positive impact, you raise your energetic vibration. But chasing wealth disconnected from your core values can inadvertently create resistance. Get clear on your why, the deeper reasons and intentions behind your desire for wealth. This clarity creates a powerful driving force. Another key is understanding that wealth has many expressions beyond just money and material possessions. Cultivate an expansive picture of what true wealth means to you. It could include vibrant health, nurturing relationships, creative expression, a sense of freedom, or making a difference. Broaden your perspective of wealth to attract an integrated experience of richness across all life dimensions. On this journey, obstacles will inevitably arise in the form of doubts, fears, or external challenges. Rather than resisting them, develop the ability to allow and flow with these roadblocks. Resisting creates further resistance, while allowing helps diffuse the energy, maintaining the momentum. Have self-compassion through difficulties, realigning with your intention for abundance. Finally, embodying the vibrational frequency of wealth is powerful. Go beyond just visualizing wealth to actually feeling it mind, body, and spirit. Anchor into the visceral emotions, sensations, and confidence of already being wealthy now. Practice feeling authentic gratitude, freedom, and joy each day. As you embody the resonance, you become a vibrational match for that experience manifesting. By integrating these perspectives into your journey of attracting wealth through energy flow, you create an unshakable foundation aligning within and without. The flow of abundance becomes easier to receive and maintain through the ease of this harmonious frequency. Remember, you are a powerful co-creator in this vast universe, and the wealth you seek is already available to you. Embrace this truth and allow the flow of energy to guide you towards a life of infinite abundance and prosperity. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.